So I wanted to record on my GoPro, man. But I guess it did, man. I guess a certain time, if you don't use it in a certain amount of days, it dies. I don't know how it works. I just got this shit. But we got some Chipotle. Some Chipotle. I told you guys I'm gonna bring you a freaking mukbang of Chipotle. Got me a bowl. Good ass bowl. Oh cap. Good ass bowl, man. Should I move you guys back a little bit? I should, right? Let me move you guys back a little bit, man. You guys looking kinda close, man. Woo! Got this big ass coat on. It's fucking brick in New York, man. It's fucking brick. I actually low key want some more snow. I ain't gonna lie. Want some more snow, man. Ooh, got the extra. Ooh. Got the extra guacamole in this bit. You guys get a bowl and you don't get no chips with it, there's something wrong with you. It's literally, there's something wrong with you, man. Yo, I feel like you guys cannot see me at all. You guys can see me, right? We need to get closer? Or do I need to move back? My chair back. There we go. You guys see me? Holy shit. Shit's hot, yo. Chipotle. Yo, Happy New Year's. Let me know if you guys was lit for New Year's. Comment down below what you guys did, where you guys go. I want you guys to comment down below what is your goals for New Year's. Seriously. What is your guys' goals for 2021? I already told you guys my goals on the first video I posted today. So if you haven't seen it, I'm gonna tell you guys here again. Yeah, I'm gonna just tell you guys here again. Let me get this freaking straw, man. So let's try not to make this video long. I broke my straw. God damn it. But my goal is to get my own place this year. Get the 50,000 subscribers this year, man. That's my main goal. To get to 50,000 subscribers by the end of this year, man. There's 365 days. 365 days, man, in a year. And you tell me I can't do that? I can do it. You gotta put the mindset into doing stuff, guys. Because if you don't have the mindset to do it, it won't happen. You can't do it. You have to have the mindset. And nothing's impossible, really. Nothing's impossible. You just gotta be dedicated. Once you are dedicated to your dream, then your dream will become reality. You can never give up on your dream. the road to your dream, it will always be failures. You feel me? Get that to your head. There will always be failures in your dream. You will never be... You can't just go for your dream and be successful like that. You have to fail and in parts of your of becoming your dream. You feel me? You can't just, boom, your dream is there. You can't just wake up and say, damn, that was easy. It's not easy, guys. Not easy at all. When I first started YouTube, I was like, nah. When I first was introduced to YouTube and watching people on YouTube gain lots of subscribers, I was like, damn, that shit must be easy. I'm here right now. It's not easy. You have to be dedicated. You have to have content every single day for people to watch you. Yeah, your content has to be lit every single day for people to watch you. It's just not that easy, guys. Literally, just not that easy. Just be dedicated. Just be dedicated. Once you're dedicated to it, you will see progress out of it. And this is why I want my own place. So I can focus on being myself and being what I want to be. To have pranks out, to have challenges out, to have vlogs out. Yo, my straw dead broke. You gotta be kidding me, bro. My mouth is on fire. Whew. But yeah. You want to be dedicated to something? Go full in. There's no reason. You got nothing to lose. You got nothing to lose. Are you scared to lose money? Or are you scared to lose time? Guys, time is money. The more time you waste throughout the day, that could be the time you could be making money. But you're not. You're just sitting at home thinking. You're just sitting at home doing nothing and not making money. Really. You're sitting at home doing nothing, wasting time. You could be making money on that time. You wasting 5 minutes of your time, of your life. That 5 minutes can become money. You know? I know a lot of YouTubers that say this stuff. This is true. Time is money. Time is priceless. You can't never get that time back. Every moment you have, every time you have, you use it to make money. I'm not gonna lie, bro. This Chipotle shit is dumb good. This should be filling me up, OD though. Should be. Busting. I just want, if I want to be successful in life, I want people around me to be successful. I want my fan base to be successful. I don't want just me to be successful. I want other people to be successful too. But how is that helping me out? Just me being successful and seeing other people struggle? Nah. That's just not me. I want to help people out too. And I'm going to give back. I'm going to give back. Believe that. Believe it. Just go for your dreams, people. You guys think I'm just here just to talk the talk? Nah. YouTube is my passion. YouTube is my dream. Recorded 3 videos today. Maybe I do 4. Maybe I do 5. Time is money. The more time I take off, the more time I lose money. Just be who you want to be, guys. Don't be someone that... Don't let nobody tell you what to be. You're your own person. My dad once told me, and I will always remember this quote. My dad once told me, go to college. Go to college. Try it out. If college is not for you, take a different path. You feel me? Take a different path. College is not for everyone. Everyone doesn't like college. He told me. I will never forget that. College is not for everyone. Just try it out, Tyrese. He told me, just try it out, Tyrese. You don't have to go to college, but I want you to try it out. And I went to college for 2 years. Did I like it? No. I went through it because my dad told me to go to college. Me, if I didn't want to do, I literally didn't want to go to college. Straight out of high school. I wanted to become a YouTuber. And I didn't take YouTube serious because I had school, work, and all that. And all I could do was just upload once a day. Now that college is over, it's grind time. But I still got work because YouTube isn't paying my bills. YouTube isn't paying my bills. So I gotta pay my bills some way, somehow. Till it happens, you know? I really hope you guys get something out of this video, man. Just be who you want to be, man. Just be who you want. Just be who you are. Just end there. Just be who you are, man. Don't be someone that wants to be like somebody else. Just be who you are. You know? But like, literally, that's the end of the video, man. I'm full. I'm done. I just wanted to talk to you guys to let you guys have some motivation in yourself. And just to let you guys know, just be yourself. Don't let nobody else tell you what to do. If you want to be something, be that. If you want to do something, do that. Don't do it because somebody else is doing it. Just do what you want to do in life, guys. Seriously, just do what you want to do in life, and you'll be fine. You'll be successful. Like that's the end of the video, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the Chipotle. Shit, spicy Chipotle video, man. Chipotle mukbang. I hope you guys enjoyed. Literally, hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys in the next video, man. I don't know if I'm gonna upload another video today, because I did 3 videos already, man. But if I do, man, it might be a reaction video. It might be a reaction video. Why not? Why not? It's the beginning of the year, man. We're starting off the beginning of the year strong. Let's get it, man. I love you guys. Don't forget that. I love ya.